Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you some small space decorating secrets that you definitely need to know about if you want to make your small space, small apartment, or small room feel larger. These decorating secrets are going to help you maximize your space, really make your space more functional, and look designer along the way. So if you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Now, something very specific that I think everyone with a small space should consider trying is eliminating swing space. Swing space is the amount of space that it takes up to open up a door. This could be entryway doors, closet doors, or even cabinet doors. If you're shopping for furniture, specifically storage furniture that has cabinet doors, think about finding furniture that actually has sliding doors. Doors that open up into itself to really save space and eliminate swing space altogether. This is going to maximize the amount of square footage that you have around your space because you won't need to consider the amount of space that it takes up to open up those cabinet doors. So there's so many great furniture pieces out there that have sliding doors, and it's definitely the best idea for space saving. You can also consider doing this on closet doors. If you have one single bulky door that takes up a ton of room to open up, think about replacing that door for a sliding door option or even a French door. French doors will usually cut that swing space in half by splitting that door size in half, so your swing space is a lot smaller. Entryway doors to specific spaces are usually the trickiest to switch out. The options would be a sliding door, a barn door, or a pocket door. These are great for space saving, completely eliminate any swing space, and will definitely maximize the square footage that you do have. Now, whether you only have room for a two-person dining set in a small apartment, or you have a small dining room where you really want to maximize the amount of seating that you can fit in that space, always consider only choosing armless dining chairs. There's always an option of choosing armchairs or armless chairs, and you definitely want to go with the armless option. This is going to allow your chairs to slide completely under your dining table so that you can maximize the amount of flow around the table. You can typically fit more seating at that table because you don't have as much bulk width-wise, and it's going to give you a lot more of that light, airy, slim look. So armchairs are always a really sophisticated, substantial look and work great if you have the space, but if you don't have the space, it's not going to be an option for you. Go with armless chairs for a slimmer look, and they're going to help maximize the space that you do have. Now, in every small space, you always want to consider brightening up the corners of your space. Corners tend to get really dark and lack a lot of light, and as soon as you add a simple light source to corners of your space, you instantly extend the look of your room. So I always recommend simple floor lamps, even table lamps on a nice little table, or even bookshelf lamps. These can be small battery-powered lamps, they can be tucked away plug-in lamps, but it really does make a huge difference if you brighten up all the corners of your space. A lot of the time, one single light source in the center of your space does not do the trick to making your space feel larger, so balance out the corners of your space by adding a simple light fixture, and it will make the biggest difference. Now, this might be the last thing you think about doing in a small space, but I think it makes a huge difference if you incorporate one large oversized statement piece in a small space. This could be large artwork, it could be a large vase with large floral arrangements, it could be a large light fixture. Something that gives a little bit of a wow factor and plays around with the scale of the space will instantly make it feel larger. Sometimes when you're working with a small space and everything in that space is small, it starts to just shrink the space drastically. So by playing around with scale and actually using an oversized statement piece, it will make the world of a difference. It kind of tricks your eye into thinking the space is larger than it really is because it can handle that large statement piece. You're going to end up with less cluttered look and a more designer look instantly in your small space. Now, monochromatic decorating can usually do the trick to creating a larger look in any small space, whether it be a bedroom, bathroom, laundry room, or living room. Any space that you really want to expand the look of, decorate it in a monochromatic look. Now, this could be matching your wall paint to your sofa. This could be incorporating that color drenched look, painting your ceiling, your trim, your walls, all the same color. Finish it off with a monochromatic rug and accent chairs that play around with that tonal look. This will create less visual busyness, less lines around your space that kind of cut areas off, and allow your eye to rest in the space. It's a really intentional way of decorating, and you can do this in a neutral look or a really fun bold look. You can still play around with pattern this way, but keeping within one single color palette will really expand the look of your space. So this typically works well with single spaces and small apartments that are very open concept. If you continue one single color palette throughout your decorating, throughout your entire space, it just continues to expand the look of your space instead of shrinking it into small little areas. Now, I think the key to decorating any space, especially a small space, is balancing visual weight. This is creating a somewhat symmetrical look around your space. You don't have to copy and paste one side of your space to the other, but you want to do something that makes your space feel balanced. If you want to add height to one side of your space with a floor lamp, consider doing something similar with the other side of your space. Maybe bringing in a large plant that adds height, or adding a wall sconce to the wall at a similar height to that floor lamp. That's what's going to bring your eye up on either side of the space so that you don't end up with a really imbalanced look around your home. Balancing weight around your space is very important when it comes to furniture and furniture placement, but it is very important when it comes to decorative pieces as well. The way you style your shelves, the way you style your walls, and your lighting. All of these small items need to be balanced around your space. Do this with your sofa styling when it comes to throw pillows and throw blankets. You really want to create a relaxed feeling around your home, and your eyes can rest when your space feels balanced. Now, typically any kind of vertical wall finish tends to make a small space feel larger. So think about using vertical placed tongue and groove on your walls, vertical shiplap, vertical striped wallpaper. You can even paint this pattern on your walls. Even picture frame molding and beadboard. Any kind of wall finish that's adding that vertical lengthening look to your space will elongate your space and definitely make it feel larger. This is going to draw your eye up and just give you this visual effect of a larger space. I think it's fun to play around with this kind of look and really go bold with it in small spaces like small laundry rooms, powder rooms, bedrooms, even hallways. It can really create a great visual effect in your home and make any small space feel a little longer instantly. Now, I think a great functional furniture piece that every small space should have are nesting tables. Nesting tables are kind of a package deal. You get 2 or 3 tables for one price. So I love that the multiple tables kind of tuck into the larger one, so you end up with a very slim, streamlined look that's not taking up too much space, but whenever you need them, you can pull out multiple tables from that single one. So I think that's such a great functionality for any space. This can be styled on the side of your sofa by any accent chair and really add a ton of functionality to your home without taking up too much square footage. Now, I think creating zones and nooks in a space is always a great way to maximize the feel of any room, and I think little dining nooks and dining banquettes are the best solution for small corners. If you have a little bistro table and you want to maximize the amount of seating and comfort in your space as well as storage, go for a banquette bench in your space with storage underneath. That way you can use the corner to store items, but it can also be used for lounging, entertaining, and dining. So it's a great multi-purpose effect that you can create with one single corner of your home. I think this creates so much coziness in any space, and it's rising in popularity for sure. There's a lot of furniture retailers now that are offering banquette dining options, so you can buy corners, you can buy one-sided banquette benches that all have storage underneath, so you can really add that functionality to your home without having it custom made. You can build these a DIY way using IKEA pieces. You can also have it custom made. So there's so many ways to create this banquette situation in your home, but it creates such a whimsical look with a ton of storage and a ton of functionality. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you a better idea on ways that you can maximize your small space. Let me know down below in the comments if you want to implement any of these design ideas in your home as well. And if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have your notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!